Morning, Socks. What are you doing? Hmm? What? Morning, buddy. Morning, ladies. I know you ladies are hungry. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the farm. In today's video, we're going to get out and work in the pasture project just a little bit. Last few days have been a little bit on the drier side and cooler, so the ground is froze over on top. So we're going to try to get out there and do a little bit of piling up and see if we can knock some more trees down. So with that, let's get started. Well, we added to that brush pile a little bit. We got all the down trees cleaned up. So now we're gonna use the mini and hopefully take some more trees down. When we go to select trees to take down with the mini, we look at trees that we figure the mini will easily take down. And, you know, we try not to pick anything too big. We like to uproot the tree with a stump because it's a lot easier to do that than it is to cut the tree down with a saw and then dig the stump out later on. So it looks like all the cattle are getting along pretty well and getting used to each other. Hey, Butterfinger. Well, all in all, we got quite a few trees knocked down today. It was very good progress. They're calling for 2 to 4 inches of snow tonight through tomorrow all day. So as I was starting to work and getting things cleaned up from the first pile of trees I had, I said, you know, probably ought to knock down as many trees as I can so that way if the weather turns and stays cold, then at least they're already down on the ground. Well, that's a good feeling. Good feeling to have this amount of work done in a short period of time. So a lot of this wood is going to go on the brush pile, but there are some trees out here that are still good that we'll actually use for firewood. So those pieces we're going to cut a little bit shorter. We'll haul them out, put them with our stockpile of logs for our firewood because we burn wood for the house to heat the house in the wintertime. So other than that, you know, we made good progress today. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like our channel, please subscribe. We've gained a few subscribers, but we're always looking for more. And it's really cold out here, so I'm going to head towards the house to warm up. We'll see you next time.